Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in luxury home decor ideas. Today, we're diving into the world of opulence, elegance, and sophistication, with tips and inspiration to elevate your home into a luxurious retreat. Whether you're looking to add a touch of glamour or completely transform your space, we've got you covered. Choosing the right color palette. When it comes to luxury decor, the color palette is key. Opt for rich, deep hues like navy, emerald green, or charcoal gray, which exude sophistication. Pair these with metallic accents in gold, brass, or silver to add a touch of glamour. Neutral tones like cream, taupe, and soft beige also work well to create a timeless and elegant backdrop. Investing in high-quality furniture. Luxury is all about quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality, statement furniture pieces that will stand the test of time. Think plush velvet sofas, sleek marble coffee tables, and handcrafted wooden dining tables. These pieces not only serve as functional elements, but also as works of art that elevate your home's overall aesthetic. Incorporating opulent textures. Texture plays a vital role in luxury decor. Incorporate opulent materials like silk, velvet, and cashmere into your space through throw pillows, blankets, and drapery. A high pile rug can also add a layer of comfort and sophistication. These textures not only look luxurious, but also create a tactile experience that enhances the overall feel of the room. Adding statement lighting. Lighting is an essential aspect of luxury decor. Opt for statement chandeliers, elegant wall sconces, or designer floor lamps that not only illuminate your space but also serve as eye-catching focal points. Crystal chandeliers or sculptural lighting fixtures can add a sense of grandeur and create a warm, inviting ambience. Accessorizing with art and decor. Art and decor accessories are the finishing touches that bring luxury home decor to life. Invest in original artworks, sculptures, or bespoke pieces that reflect your personal style. Large-scale artwork or a curated gallery wall can make a bold statement. Additionally, consider incorporating decorative elements like gold-framed mirrors, crystal vases, or designer coffee table books to add layers of luxury. Creating a luxurious bathroom. A luxury home isn't complete without a spa-like bathroom. Opt for a freestanding soaking tub, marble or quartz countertops, and high-end fixtures in polished chrome or brushed gold. Don't forget to add plush towels, a rainfall shower head, and scented candles to create a tranquil and indulgent space where you can unwind and relax. bringing luxury to outdoor spaces. Luxury doesn't stop at the front door. Extend your decor to your outdoor spaces by creating an elegant patio or garden area. Invest in high-quality outdoor furniture like teak loungers or rattan sofas, and add plush cushions for comfort. Incorporate elements like an outdoor fireplace, a water feature, or ambient lighting to create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. Creating a luxurious home is all about attention to detail, quality, and personal style. By incorporating these luxury home decor ideas, you can transform your space into a sanctuary of elegance and sophistication. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, and let us know in the comments which luxury decor idea you're excited to try in your home.